Good morning. Investment Bank Research has upgraded My News from sell to buy with a higher fair value of RM1.24 versus the stock's last close of 86 cents. That's a potential upside of 44%. Invest's valuation is based on a one-year average historical forward price-to-earnings ratio of 29 times FY22 earnings per share. Previously, it was 21 times. The research house explained in a note that the previous PER was to reflect the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the company's earnings. It also believes that the fall of some 45% in My News' share price from the two-year high of RM1.47 in July 2019 has already reflected the startup losses of its food processing centre. In FY20, the centre posted a loss after tax of RM12.4 million, and Invest says it should see losses narrow to roughly RM6 million in FY21 before breaking even in FY22. Meanwhile, there's the opening of South Korea's CU stores, the effect of which as a catalyst to My News' pre-existing stores is vastly overlooked. The research house pointed out that CU stores will remove the restrictive growth trajectories of My News stores. It does this by acting as a separate channel to offload FPC produce, and that means less pressure on My News outlets' fresh food segment. Invest sees two core benefits for My News from the CU deal. Firstly, My News does not have to bear the brunt of its A&P expenses to promote its fresh food range and can focus instead on collaborative efforts with higher drawing power, much like 7-Eleven. Secondly, the group would have flexibility in developing outlets with different convenience store models. While My News will still face poor footfall and prolonged gestational cost of the food processing centre, Invest says in the longer term, My News will be a force to be reckoned with. According to Bloomberg data, analysts are split on My News. There are 3 buys, 3 holds and 3 sells, based on analyst calls in the past 6 months, with Invest the most bullish of the lot. Average target price 74 cents versus the stock's last close of 86 cents.